Hello everyone, Ngiyanothisano and welcome to my channel. So the owner of Royal AM, Shaun Mkhize, affectionately known as Mam Mkhize, is not backing down without a fight. She has taken her battle to the Joburg High Court, filing an urgent application to declare the PSL Board of Governors' decision to expel her team from the league as unlawful and have it set aside. Mam Mkhize is asking the court to hear the matter on the 20th of May 2025 before the league season comes to an end. According to Mam Mkhize, Royal AM was expelled after the executive committee claimed the club misled the league when it submitted its membership renewal in July 2024. In that application, it stated that the directors were Mam Mkhize and her son, Andile Mpisane, while the sole director was actually Shamish Sadep. Now, in her court documents, Mam Mkhize denies this completely. She argues that even if there was a misrepresentation, which she strongly denies, the NSL constitution does not give the executive committee or board of governors any power to make findings about misconduct. That responsibility belongs to the disciplinary committee. She also claims that the league relied on untested allegations from SARS about changes in the club's shareholding. Another issue raised by PSL was that the club failed to fulfill its league obligations because of a FIFA registration ban. Mam Mkhize says the league renewed the club's membership knowing about those bans, so it cannot now use them as a reason to expel Royal AM. Mam Mkhize went on to explain that her team's failure to honor some fixtures was due to SARS obtaining a preservation order against the club in November last year and appointing a curator, Yaku Venter. She added that since his appointment, Venter has failed to uphold his responsibilities by not paying salaries for players, technical staff and other employees. Yet despite these challenges, the club still managed to play matches against Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu, Golden Arrows and TS Galaxy. She acknowledged that PSL was promised a letter of comfort confirming the club's issues would be resolved, but the curator later demanded 900,000 rands to issue the letter, refusing to use any of the assets under the preservation order. Mam Mkhize also revealed that from this January, PSL stopped paying Royal AM's 2.3 million rands discretionary grant, yet even without this grant, the club continued to pay its players' salaries. She believes that by suspending fixtures and withholding the grant, PSL made it harder for the club to honor its games. The 2.3 million rands grant would have been adequate to cover players' salaries, which stand at 1.9 million rands. Yo, Guningi, I guess she's exhausting all available efforts to keep Royal AM alive. I believe football fans are over this. They've accepted that Royal AM is normal. They just want the league to go back to normal. But it's a different case for her because she's the club owner. Do you think taking PSL to court is worth it? Do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.